Since the beginning of time, cats have been an enigma. No one really knows what they're thinking.
It's exciting, isn't it?
Studies show they only meow in order to communicate with humans. So we set out on a mission to get to know them better. By analyzing different cat noises, we've designed a digital sensor that detects a cat's meow and uses a unique program to turn it into a human voice. Simply connect to our app and select your cat's new voice.
I'm sleepy.
The result: the world's first talking cat collar.